Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my gosh. Ellen Wille has hit it out of the park. Oh my goodness. This is one of the new styles called Jump Mono. And it's in the color Snow Mix. So it's very light, but let's start on the inside. So it's a full mono part front. So this gives you free parting space all along here. And then it's open wefted back here. And it's got the adjuster tabs back here. Now, what I will tell you is that there's a tag. So make sure when you put this on that you tuck this tag in. You might want to cut it off. I think probably I will cut this off just because I don't want it hanging out, and I tend to pull the back of the cap down just to make sure it's covering my natural hair, which let me show you the back of my natural hair. So you can see it hangs down just a little bit underneath my combination wig cap wig grip. So let's start. She is called Snow Mix. Again, this is Jump Mono by Ellen Wille, and very soft. First looks super soft and super light. But as we're going into winter and I'm thinking that I'm wearing my turtleneck today because I'm thinking snow. I love to snow ski. So I can picture this for an après ski day, a nice winter cocktail party, or just regular running around. It doesn't always have to be fancy. So let's put her on. Now this is what I want to show you all, is that when you first put on a wig, for my new wig wearing friends, this is often what happens. And even I might look at this and go, well, really? I don't know. So you have to give it a minute, adjust it using the ear tabs. You don't want to pull on the lace. And the ear tabs go on either side of your temples here. And you can see my sideburns here, so we're going to tuck those a little bit. Now, because it has this whole parting space, we can part it on either side. So I like to part on this side. I have a comb, so I'm just gonna lightly go like this and mostly use my fingers. This is really pretty. Look at this. So this is cut very much like my hair has been in the past, with this longer side here, which I think is super lovely. And I think the contrast with the black is just gorgeous. I feel a little bit like Mrs. Brady. That's kind of dating myself, but so pretty. Let's look at the full 360 here. So there's the back. And then as I come around, she's really soft. Not a lot of permatease. So she's not gonna be way up here. Beautiful. Let's try her on the other side. So what we do is just take the comb. Look at this hairline, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And then again, we're gonna make sure that tag is tucked under. So we can go either side. Probably gonna take a little bit of water if I wanna keep her on this side. But again, that didn't take much, and she's already, I like it for a mysterious look, right? In my face. Let's put her back where I normally wear her. You can see how easily it is to just put her over there. So pretty. So again, this is Jump Mono in the color Snow Mix. Really love the cut. Actually, I really love this color. I was thinking, oh my gosh, it's awfully gray, but I like it. I really do. Let's see, I like a deep part, and I do like this going like that. So this is how I'd wear a bi-level cut. I'd love to know your thoughts. Again, Ellen Wille, Jump Mono in Snow Mix. One more shot at the back, yeah. Making sure that tag is tucked in. I love her. Cheers.